Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. And so we're back with today I'm presenting MCQ series of environment, and this is me and this is our faculty. And so let us get started. So the first MCQ. So which of the following option is not a part of Indian biodiversity hotspots? Okay, and your options are Himalayas, Eastern Ghats, Indo-Burma, and D, Sundarland, right? Or Sundarland, somewhere it is written also as Sundarland. So you know the drill. So answer the question, guys, and please do write your scores in the comment section. Please engage as much as you can. It will be beneficial for you also. So the answer is C, right? So the major biodiversity hotspots in India are Himalayas, Indo-Burma region, and Western Ghats, not Eastern Ghats in Sri Lanka also, and then there is Sundarland. So the next question, second MCQ, which of the following statements regarding biosphere reserves is correct? Okay, correct here. So the options are inclusion of an existing protected area, like for example national parks, wildlife sanctuary. Okay, so inclusion into the biosphere reserves automatically changes the status of that particular protected area. Option B, the conservation status of existing protected area remains even after being recognized as biosphere reserve. Option C, biosphere reserve are recognized within the framework of UNESCO's Man and Biosphere program after receiving consent of the participating country. D, buffer zone is the outermost part of a biosphere reserve as it forms the bridge between biosphere reserve and the outer surrounding. Right? So let us see the answer now. Answer is C. So this existing legally protected area networks, right, like national parks, wildlife sanctuary, tiger reserves, so all this become part of the biosphere reserves and their status remains the same, it doesn't change. And inclusion into the biosphere reserve only enhances its national value, so it doesn't remain the same. Okay, the conservation status will all obviously it will enhance. Then the biosphere reserves are internationally recognized and the framework is UNESCO's Man and Biosphere MAB program. So after receiving the consent only of the participating country, this could be done. And transition zone, not the buffer zone, is the outermost part of the biosphere reserve. Third MCQ. So which of the following statements regarding black carbon is correct? So option A, black carbon has direct impact on Hindu Kush Himalayan glacier. The effects of black carbon on the atmospheric warming and glacier is irreversible. Black carbon has the ability to reflect sunlight, and black carbon stays in the atmosphere for several years. So here you have to tell which of these options are correct. The option is actually A. Option A is actually correct. There is a mistake here. Please, it is A. Option is A, not D. So black carbon, it is the strongest absorber of sunlight, so it absorbs, not reflect. Okay, and it that's why it heats the air. Then black carbon, it disrupts the cloudiness and monsoon rainfall, and it accelerates the melting of the glaciers, and it has the direct impact on the Hindu Kush Himalayan glaciers. And black carbon stays in the atmosphere for several days to weeks, right? And that's why it remains there for days to weeks, not years. And this all these effects on the glacial retreat and atmospheric warming can be actually reversed. It is not irreversible. Okay, fourth MCQ. So which of the following water bodies is not a part of brackish water ecosystem? Very easy question, guys. So options are estuaries, mangrove swamps, sea forests, D, springs. So let us see. Answer is D, right? So springs are not part of brackish water ecosystem. Those which are included in the brackish water ecosystem are estuaries, salt marshes, mangrove swamps, forests. The springs comes under the freshwater ecosystem, right? Like lakes, ponds, pools, springs, because the salt content in those are very low compared to the brackish. Now, fifth MCQ, final MCQ. Which of the following statements are correct regarding grasslands? A. Fire plays an important role. Fire plays an important role in the management of grasslands. B. Under moist conditions, fire favors trees over grass. C. In dry conditions, fire favors the invasion of desert shrubs. D. Burning decreases the forage yield. Now let us see the answer. Answer is A. So fire plays an important role in the management of grasslands. Under moist conditions, fire favors grass over trees, and in dry conditions, fire is often necessary to maintain grasslands against the invasion of desert shrubs. So fire doesn't favor the invasion. And then burning increases the forage yield, right? It doesn't decrease, it increases, so it's kind of favorable. So with this, today we have completed 5 MCQs of environment, and we'll be back with 5 more MCQs tomorrow. Stay tuned guys. Thank you.